Hi there, it's Paul, and we've got a piano here, which means one thing only: you are watching Piano with Paul. Today is your third lesson on this little series, and today we're going to be learning a piece of music called When the Saints Go Marching In. The music you heard on the introduction is an advanced version, but let's break it down and make it nice and simple, and you can get playing this music straight away. So the first part of this music goes like this. We are in C position. We've got the thumb on C, and then the third, the fourth, and the fifth over the keys, which is a lovely position to stay in, and it should be perfect for you to start with this. Okay, so don't stretch your fingers out too straight, and don't have them like a claw. Remember, we need to be nice and natural position, and relax your shoulders, and all is well in the world. Okay, or this world at least anyway. So I'll put a metronome on, have a listen, and watch what I'm doing, and join in a few moments' time. 1, 2, 3. Your turn. One more time. So that's the first thing I would like to learn. Not too fast. I'm sure that 100 BPM is about right for you. If you want to slow it down, please do so. Pause the video, come back to it when you're ready for the second part. Now part 2 covers the chord of C major. It's C, E and G, and we call this a major C chord or C major chord. If you're not sure about chords, you can take a link on the video below, down there or up there, and that's all about C major scale, C major chords, and it'll be very useful for you. But anyway, the C chord, or a chord, is 2 or more notes played at once. So I'm going to be going C, E and G. However, we're not playing this down all at the same time to sound like this. We're using the notes out of the C major chord, the 1, the 3 and the 5. Now I mean 1 is thumb, 3 is middle finger and 5 is pinky. And this is how the second part goes. 2, 3, 4, 1. So again, I'll put the metronome on, and you can play along, and we'll have a few moments doing this, and then we'll add that to the first part, and we're going to build this track up nice and easily, and it won't take long at all. 2, 3, 4. Your turn. And again. And so the third part goes something like this. Let's do this together now. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Did you notice that we start on the third beat of the bar? Let's just talk about that for a moment. Sometimes music doesn't always start on its first beat. So what happens with the third part? We are actually playing it one beat after the D's been held on. So if I go like this, listen. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just get used to counting 1, 2 and then coming in. So by using the metronome, you can keep yourself in time, and the first beat you can hear, the bell is actually the first beat of the bar. It's the higher sound. Listen. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Let's go for it. And here we go. A 1, 2. We'll play this a few times and that will get you going, and we'll add it to the first and second part. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So let's carry on and put the fourth part in place, which actually is very similar to what we've just done. It still starts on the third beat of the bar, and it goes something like this. New note is D, just like that. Okay, so let's have a go together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Here we go. 2, 3, and hold it on for another bar. Lovely stuff. Okay, so let's try and put all of this together from start to finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Part 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Part 3. Part 4. So there we have it. That's a melody, the right hand part of the Saints Go Marching In. If it's too fast for you, download a metronome. You can use an app called Pulse, that's a really good one. Or you can go to Metronome Online, and that's an online one as well. And maybe set it to say 70 BPM and take your time to get through this. It's about your journey, no one else's, and you take as much time as you need. The main thing is you are progressing and you're following along really well. The right hand's done. There's a little bit of a left hand part. It's very, very simple. It only uses 3-4 notes, and it's based in your left hand, and this is what it sounds like all together with the right hand, and then we'll break it up and put it in parts as well. Okay. So now I've set the metronome at 80 BPM, and we'll just look at the left hand and we'll get it in time, and then we'll bring the right hand in. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. So if you can notice, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And the last actual note on each little section starts on the first beat. A bit tricky to get your head around. So what we're going to be doing is counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And when you played the G, we then come in on the second beat of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. So it's 2, 3, 4, 1. It takes some time to get used to not working on the first beat all the time. Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, just the left hand with the metronome. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. So I hope you noticed that I was counting and bringing C in on the second beat. Let's put this together slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Here we go. So that's our first section. So the second section plays the G and holds it down for 2 beats. Plays the E, plays the C, and then holds this down for D for 5 counts altogether, or 5 beats. Right, now this little exercise is important to get going. Okay, so we'll play the G and play me a C straight after it. 1, 2. So 1, 2. And then we play an E and we follow it by another C. So going G, C left hand, E, C left hand, D, and we go to the G now with the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. With the metronome. Try and follow along. Let's try on the G from the right hand. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Now if you're struggling with this part, again just take your time, pause the video and come back to it when you've got it. So the third part is really easy to do. It's the same kind of thing, and we're playing C, 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 E, C, G, C. Now carrying on, it's a similar concept with the left hand. I'll just play it for you. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've introduced a new note there. It's the F note on our second finger. I'll just play the left hand on its own. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 3 Fs. Ba. So you could just practice that on its own. And then we bring in the G and the F as well. So you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Here we go now. We'll play all the way through from the third part, from the C and C. Here we go. And C. So there we have it. And the last little part goes like this. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So all we are doing really is playing alternative Cs, then a G, and back down to C again. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's our fourth section. Let's play it all the way through now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So well done. That's it. So until next time, I'll leave you there and we'll see you on the next video.